Finland is actively hiring foreign workers in 2026 because thousands of jobs remain unfilled every year. Many of these employers accept overseas applicants, offer work visa sponsorship, and do not require IELTS for most roles. In this video, I will show you the exact companies hiring, high-demand jobs, official job websites, and how to apply for a Finland work visa step by step without using agents. If you want to work legally in Europe in 2026, watch this till the end. Finland has one of the fastest aging populations in Europe. Local workers are not enough to fill jobs in manufacturing, logistics, cleaning, construction, agriculture, and technical roles. Because of this shortage, Finnish employers are legally allowed to recruit workers from outside the EU under Finland's work residence permit system. This is not a new program. It is an ongoing labor policy backed by the Finnish government. Finland does not require IELTS as a visa requirement. However, employers may require basic English depending on the job. Healthcare and regulated roles may require professional language proof or registration. Most factory, warehouse, cleaning, agriculture, and technical roles do not require IELTS. Your visa decision is based on a valid job offer, employer sponsorship, meeting salary and contract conditions, high-demand jobs hiring foreign workers. These are the main sectors actively hiring foreign workers in Finland in 2026. Manufacturing and factories. Factory workers, machine operators, assembly line workers, production assistants. Cleaning and facility services. Cleaners, janitorial staff, industrial cleaners. Logistics and warehousing. Warehouse operatives, order pickers, forklift assistants. Construction. Construction laborers, carpenters, welders, electrician assistants. Agriculture and seasonal work. Farm workers, greenhouse workers, food processing assistants. Most of these roles are practical, skills-based, and open to non-EU applicants. Here are real companies and platforms that regularly recruit international workers. Posti Group, logistics and warehousing. Barona, staffing and industrial jobs. Adecco Finland, manufacturing and cleaning roles. ISS Finland, cleaning and facility services. SOL Services, cleaning and support jobs. These companies legally sponsor work permits when they cannot find local workers. Official job websites to apply. Use only official platforms. Avoid agents. Workinfinland.com, Joba in Finland official portal. Paycat.te-palvelut.fi, Finnish government job portal. fi.indeed.com, Indeed Finland. LinkedIn.com/jobs, LinkedIn Jobs Finland. Always read the job description carefully to confirm visa sponsorship. Finland Work Visa explained simply. Once you get a job offer. 1. Employer applies for sponsorship. 2. You apply for a residence permit for an employed person. 3. Submit biometrics. 4. Wait for a decision. Initial permits are usually issued for 1 or 2 years and can be renewed. Long-term stay and permanent residence come later if requirements are met. How to increase your chances of getting hired. Use a simple European-style CV. Apply directly on official websites. Focus on shortage jobs. Apply to multiple roles weekly. Never pay anyone for a job offer. Finnish employers do not charge applicants for sponsorship. Finland remains one of the most realistic European countries for foreign workers in 2026 if you apply correctly and stay within official channels. This is not about shortcuts. It is about understanding where the jobs are and applying the right way. If this video helped you, make sure you check the links in the description and explore more opportunities. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. See you in the next video.